This summer we're doing a fun little series that I hope you will join us for and really enjoy, talking about different design elements in homes. You know, as a real estate agent, as I go around looking at homes, every day I see just some really cool, fun ideas. So I wanted to share those with you. And I'm partnering with Leslie Davis, who is a friend, a client, a blogger, and a great designer with Deeply Southern Home. And we are going to be featuring a number of really cool, different, unique design elements that she has used in her own home. So be sure to join in. It'll be loads of fun, and we look forward to seeing you. So I saw your house before you did this. So this was a blank wall, right?
Correct, yes.
And you started from scratch.
From scratch, yes.
My goodness. These are just boards that you measured and had to get exactly right, and then you painted the wall to make it look?
Yes, I have a whole process on my blog, but what I did was I started by a base coat of paint, and then I added the vertical boards, and then what the precise part is the small horizontal pieces that connect it all together. So I do have some tips and tricks on how to make that easy, because the boards go up easy. The hard part is getting all the patching to be perfect so that you really can't tell that it's patched together there in the middle.
Why this height?
So the room is vaulted and it's about 19 feet. And there is a golden rule of thirds basically, and it's just a mathematical equation that kind of told me this was about where I needed to be in relation to the wall and the cased openings.
Okay, and then I'm curious, so you have this wall, and as I look around the room, it goes the whole length of this wall, and then you have mirrored this casing across the wall there. So how do you decide how much is too much and what works? I mean, you have all these great ideas.
Yeah, so in this room, I did initially start with the idea of the fireplace wall and just making it one wall, but really this room is so vast with the vault that it felt like it really needed to wrap the room, and that is pretty traditional in a Tudor style home for the paneling to wrap the room. And it also, one of the nice things about where it falls is that because the room is vaulted, it brings your eyes down and it kind of makes the room feel cozier because everything is more relatable now as opposed to the tall ceilings.
I feel that walking in, but I couldn't have told you that's what it was.
Yeah.
So that's the beauty of design.
The whole concept is tied to traditional architecture, and so that's what kind of makes it successful and approachable, because it's that kind of modern twist on a traditional design element.
Yeah, thumbs up.
Thank you.